What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to change your birth date on Twitter. So this one is pretty easy. Just need to follow my step and you can pretty much do it. So first of all, just click your profile icon at the top left corner and go to your profile. And right there in your profile, you can see that you can edit your profile. Just click that button and right there you will see your birth date. Just click that also, and there you can now have an option to change your birthday. So keep in mind that you can only change your birthday on a certain time. So you just need to make sure that you change your birthday surely before you click save. And after changing your birthday, just click continue and click save, then click confirm. And after that, as you can see, my birth date has been changed into 2002. And that's it. That's how we do it. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.